In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the iOS 27 beta update is not showing on your iPhone. Now, if you want to update your iPhone to the beta version of iOS 27, but if you cannot find the option of the beta update in the settings app, then first of all, just ensure that your iPhone supports iOS 27. Now, to check whether your iPhone supports iOS 27 or not, just open the Safari web browser, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Now over here, if you scroll down, you will find the names of the iPhones that support iOS 27. Now if you cannot find the name of your iPhone in the list over here, then this means that your iPhone does not support iOS 27. But if you can find the name of your iPhone in the list over here, then just enroll your Apple ID into the Apple Beta program. To do that, in the Safari web browser, just search this. And this website, just tap on sign in and sign into the same iCloud account which you're using on your iPhone. Now I have already made a video on how you can update your iPhone to the iOS 27 beta version. You can find the link of that video in the icon up here, or you can find the link of that video down in the description. Now after you enroll your Apple ID into the Apple Beta program, the next step is just go to your home screen and open settings, and under settings, just tap on general, then tap on software update. Now over here you should find the option for beta updates over here.